Can you find the mistakes in these sentences? Pause the video and try to find the answers. Now let's check the answers together. Are you ready? 1. She don't like to play tennis. The correct answer is she doesn't like to play tennis. We don't use don't with she because she is singular. 2. He can sing very well. The correct answer is he can sing very well. We don't use yes with the verb if it is used after can. So we have to say he can sing, not he can sings. 3. I have visited the museum last week. The correct answer is I visited the museum last week. Here we don't want to say I have visited. Instead we have to say I visited because the specific time is given. Here it is last week. Now question 4. The team are playing well this season. Here the team is a collective noun. So we have to consider it as singular. So instead of are we have to use is. The team is playing well this season. 5. Each of the students have submitted their assignments. Here we are speaking about each of the students. So each should come with has. So the correct answer is each of the students has submitted their assignments. Have is wrong here. Now look at the following questions. Please pause the video and read the questions and try to give the answers. Let's check the answers. 6. She is working here since 2015. Here, the right answer is she has been working here since 2015 because the person is working from 2015 onwards and the person is still working. So we have to say she has been working here since 2015. 7. This is the boy which won the race. Here we are talking about a particular boy. So after that we do not use which. Instead we have to say who. So the answer becomes this is the boy who won the race. 8. He gave me the information I needed. Here information is incorrect. We do not say informations. Instead we say information. So the answer is he gave me the information I needed. 9. He married with her last year. Here there is no need of with after married. So the answer becomes he married her last year. 10. We are discussing about the project. After the word discussing, we can directly take the object. So the answer becomes we are discussing the project. Now look at the following questions and pause the video. Please try to give the answers. 11. I did not knew about the meeting. Here the correct answer is I did not know about the meeting. We do not have to use knew after did not. Instead we have to use know because know is the first form of the verb. After did not, first form of the verb should come. 12. We are waiting for the bus since 2 hours. Here a group of people are waiting for the bus for 2 hours. So they have been waiting for a period of time. When it is a period of time we have to say for. If it is a specific time then we have to use since. So here the correct answer is we are waiting for the bus for 2 hours. 13. He is the most smartest student in the class. Here most smartest is not required. Instead smartest is enough. He is the smartest student in the class because smartest itself is a superlative form of the word smart. 14. She is good in mathematics. When someone is good at a particular subject we have to say she is good at mathematics. So the correct answer is at. 15. She is one of the best students in the class. After one of the we have to use plural. So the answer becomes she is one of the best students in the class. Thank you.